Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I am also fine, thanks. আজকে আমরা তোমাদের নামের শেষ লেটার দিয়ে দুটি করে ওয়ার্ড বলবো, ওকে? At first, Mawa.
My name is Mawa. I read in class 5. My name's last letter A and apple.
Then Morim Kulsum.
My name is Kulsum. I read in class 5. My name's last letter M. Mango.
Modina.
My name is Modina. I read in class 5. My name's last letter A. Alau and.
Mahi.
My name is Mahi. I read in class 5. My name's last letter E. Ik.
Egg. Eat. You.
My name is Kona. I read in class 5. I name last letter A and apple.
You.
My name is Sumaya. I read in class 5. My name's last letter A and apple. My name is Lija Moni. I read in class 5. I am last letter A.
My name's
And my name's last letter A. Apple and.
My name is Asiya. I read in class 5. My last letter A and apple.
My name is Monira. I read in class 5. My name is last letter and A. Apple.
My name is Moriam. I reading in class 5. My last letter M. Mango.
last person, Maisha.
My name is Maisha. I read in class 2. My name's last letter A and apple.
Congratulations to you. See you again after some days. Okay.